So right here, I got a universal rear spoiler kit. It was at Advanced Auto for like 20 bucks. On 20 bucks, gonna see how it looks on there. It's got the carbon fiber look. Let's get into it. So this is the spoiler. It's just like a long piece of rubber. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna fuck with that, to be honest. Look at that in the back. I don't know if I'm really gonna fuck with this, but we'll still put it on. Right now I only got it taped on there just to see like what it would look like, but I didn't like it in the beginning, but I think it looks all right. Just a tiny little lip, not much. I didn't think the carbon fiber little print on it was gonna fit well with the car, but it's actually not that bad. Take it off of the car and I'm gonna cut it down just a little tiny more. Alright, cut off the little extra piece. I'm gonna put the covers on the side and get this bitch on the car. Perfect. And there it is, fellas. A nice little cheap universal lip spoiler. To be honest, it doesn't look bad when it's on. I actually like it. Came out pretty nice.